Hi, Olivia. What's your bird's name?
Cupid.
And what do you like best about Cupid?
I love to kiss him
How do you kiss him?
like this.
Aww.
He kissed me.
And do you pet him?
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. Aww.
And what's funny about him that he shakes his booty.
How does he shake his booty?
Shake, 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 shake. What I love about him is that he's adorable and fluffy in his little cheeks.
And he's a pretty color too.
And that he has green, he won't get pinched by the leprechaun.
Right. And what's his main color?
This.
Is that what color?
Black and a different yellow.
A yellow. Yes. And does he fly sometimes?
Yes. He's a silly birdie and cute.
And he loves to fly. Oh, and he loves to fly. Is he pinching your nose? It looks like he's pinching your nose.
He's kissing my nose.
Does he ever poopy on you?
Yes.
What do you do then?
Clean it all up and he says, I love you and I always will.
Yes. And you wash your hands, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish the video now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye out there. Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye, Cupid. And give me a big smile.
He gave his best smile.
Okay. Bye, honey.